You're human, you're Muslim, you also crave connection. But you wanted halal. You're just caught in a world where haram is easy, and halal feels impossible. Every day you're told, lower your gaze, don't date, wait for marriage. But no one tells you how to survive the wait, how to deal with the loneliness, how to calm your heart without burning your faith. Everywhere around you, people are dating, Snap, DMs, study partners, secret meetups. And in the middle of it all, you are stuck asking, can I talk to someone I like without crossing the line? Be honest, maybe you already talked to someone. Or maybe you're just tired of pretending that your heart doesn't want what your religion restricts. This is the guilt no one talks about, the silent war between emotions and ethics. And it's eating an entire generation alive. But what if I told you? You don't have to pick between love and Islam. That there is a halal way, but only if you're ready to face some uncomfortable truths. Keep watching. This might be the most important video you see before you text them back. Let's kill the confusion. Islam doesn't allow dating the way the world defines it. Private convos, emotional bonds, sneaky links, physical stuff. That's not halal dating. That's slow spiritual suicide in disguise. But here's where it gets deep. Islam doesn't ban connection. It bans chaos. It bans anything that breaks you before you build. So, no, you can't date in the haram way. But yes, you can connect if your path is rooted in purpose. You want a partner, not a distraction. So ask yourself, are you ready for marriage? Or are you just lonely and bored? If it's not marriage you're seeking, you're not looking for love. You're looking for a dopamine hit. That's not halal, that's heartbreak on a timer. Set the intention from day one. If your first thought is, I just want to see where it goes, you're already halfway to regret. Islam says, start with the end in mind. If marriage isn't on the table, why are you sitting at it? From the start, ask, am I speaking to this person for the sake of marriage? If the answer is no, walk away. Never walk alone, please. Halal love is never a secret. Bring your family, a wali, or even an older sibling into the loop because shaitan whispers loudest in privacy. You're not weak for needing boundaries. You're wise for setting them. Talk with purpose, not playfulness. Flirty convos, late-night texts, emotional oversharing. Those don't build love, they build attachment. And attachment without clarity leads straight to regret. So ask what matters. Do your goals align? Is your deen a priority? Can you grow together without falling apart first? Be brutally honest with yourself. Most of us claim halal dating to make ourselves feel better. But deep down, we know when we're crossing lines. If you feel the need to hide it from your parents, you already have your answer. So, can Muslims date in a halal way? No, not if you mean casual dating, talking for fun, or secret relationships. But yes, if you mean intentional communication, boundaries, and marriage as the destination. The world tells you,
if it feels right, do it.
Islam says, if it leads to Jannah, fight for it. You weren't made to follow your urges. You were made to master them. So stop asking,
how far can I go without it being haram?
Start asking, how can I build a love that brings me closer to Allah? Because that's the real flex. Not flirting, not secrecy, but loving someone in a way that makes Allah love you more. Subscribe to Unfiltered Islam. We don't sell comfort, we serve clarity. May your heart never chase what your soul will regret.